Okay, so we add our first product and we start selling. But sometimes you maybe find out things you want to add or modify or update your product so that in some area changing. Right here, if we're going on the products, we have our My First Product. If we click, it will bring us back to the editing so we can modify or add additional files here. So let's go ahead and add one. Okay, and now I want to inform my customers. So if I go click on a customer, currently I don't have anyone. So it would be nice to have. So there we're going to our preview with our product, this product. Let's go click I want this. And I will click pay processing. And you can notice it is thank you. The reason is why showing because was a test purchase. You have not charged. And it's just for you to test as the creator so you can see if it's work. And also you notice we have a download button so we can go ahead, click and start downloading our product right there. Okay, but we did purchase one. So let's go refresh now. And again, it does not showing here because we're not yet kind of official customers because we was just a testing, but overall it will showing here and we can search to them and see all information about that. So let's go on updates now because I create new product and I update it, but it is okay, let's go, you know what, let's go look on the product. Just one, be sure. We'll click here and you notice it's only one reason why, because I did not click save changes. So let's re-upload it. And one thing, it will be nice if they did give me a warning that stuff that I done and switching, does not saving. So maybe another things needed, kind of recommend for the Gumroad to do. But remember always, I needed to go ahead and save my changes. So at this point now I have two of them. And if I'm going back to my product, and let's go ahead and refresh, I should see, yep, two items right here I can upload it. Okay, let's go back now to updates. And because I created two products, I can set updates. Notice I have it only 4 updates because this is a free account. And this will help me to create for my audience, or my customers who bought my first product. Okay, and subject, I just added more content. And also I can personalize my additional information. Or for example, get this free update. We could upload an additional file. For example, if some file was missing. Okay, and update misspell. There you go. Thanks to the Grammarly. And also we can add a call to action button. So we can have a button, for example, preview here. Changes. And whatever you want. Site you want to upload. Okay, when you are done, we can also save it and let's go ahead, send, and we can go send now. So it will take a little time till it send it, and update successfully send it to the people who purchase your product. You also, if you schedule updates, you said before, you can click on schedule it and see what is schedule your updates. Maybe you in the future one update or do some other elements. Okay, so overall, here's a kind of simple things to do. And remember, you always can go in profile and constantly update and changing. So now we have our first product displayed. I say right here, just a little bit off, so I need it readjust, but it is, we'll keep it in the same. Okay, image, let's go switch. So right here. Okay, we also can click preview. And also remember, if you're going to account settings, you will need to go and add your payout information. So we'll go on a payout. And right here, you will need to fill up all of this information. If you're in the US, you fill up your bank account direct depositing. And if you are international, you will fill up your PayPal information. Also, you can manage your password, update your new old password. And in advanced menu, you can change your custom domain if you have it, but you will need to purchase this. You can also add all additional information like Google Analytics, third parties. And third parties is kind of nice because you can add additional elements like Twitter and all other reseller, other elements you can integrate very well. You also can create your applications, and you can delete your Gumroad account if you decide not to pursue. But beware, if you delete your Gumroad account, email that you was using for this, it will still lock. And it's what the reason in the beginning, if you remember, when I tried to type contact@geekatplay.com, it says email in use. Even I created, I deleted, but it's still keeping there. So beware, if you're deleting account, your email will lock. So I will recommend just maybe deactivate it or remove it, but does not delete account, because if it's there for free, it does not charge you money or anything else. The one more things, when we click on the name expanded, it will showing you how much you made your money. Okay, it's also showing you if you have it affiliates, which is total different tutorial. We'll go over this video, and invitations. So we'll go over this in our other videos.